After this 3-minute grounding meditation, you will feel calm, centered, and present. Whether you're stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, this relaxation meditation will guide you back home to the present moment. I know you don't have long, so let's get going straight away. Please close your eyes. Allow your body to breathe naturally. Notice the cool air on your nostrils, feeling yourself becoming more relaxed and grounded. Take a deep breath in through the nose for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold at the top for 4, 3, 2, 1. And now exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause for 4, 3, 2, 1. Allow your body to breathe naturally. Now gently bring your awareness to your body. Feel how your feet rest on the ground. It can be helpful to imagine roots extended from your feet, anchoring you to the earth. You are connected, supported by the ground beneath you. You are safe. You are stable. You are in this present moment. Relax your posture. With each breath, silently repeat, I am grounded. I am safe. I am present. I am grounded. I am safe. I am present. Now, as we end this quick guided meditation, take a moment to thank yourself for pausing and prioritizing your well-being. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes.